Fusion Strike came out on November 12th. We finally got a hold of a couple of these. So right here in my hand, we have the Pokemon Center version, and we have a second one as well. So the girls are gonna open up this one, but I wanted to show this one right here. It's from CoreTCG in Pasadena. My buddy was nice enough to go and get me a birthday present. So I'm gonna open up the not Pokemon Center one. What we're gonna do is open up everything and showcase the difference between the two boxes. Let's go. Ooh. In the regular ETB, these are the Mew. I have 8 packs in my hand right now. Fusion Strike. But in the PC version, or the Pokemon Center version, we have the same Mew, except it's a different color. And we should have a Gensect sleeve in there too, right? Ooh, we forgot the coin.
Big coin.
It's a big coin. And so the regular one doesn't have it. These girls are opening up the special ones. She didn't catch that. And the Pokemon Center one has 10 packs.
There's 10 packs!
Okay, so I wasn't gonna go and show, you know, all the contents. It's pretty much all the same for all the ETBs except for the couple of extra things. So let's go and get into opening these packs.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's do the sexy thing called not looking at the card before, Let's do the sexy thing called not looking at the card. What color it is?
Oh, no, there's something new now.
Yeah, I opened the first one with you, so.
No, not the card, what it is. So it's black border or white border.
Yeah.
But the lighter packs have hits. So we have to weigh them. So we don't know. This light, yeah, there's a lot of glare. How do we fix it?
There. Angle. Bar screen.
No, it's in the video. The bar's in the video.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
You're just nice.
I think we're okay.
Just to see the glare.
It's fine. Let's go.
I'm gonna just have to hold it like more straight up and down.
Okay.
Whenever that happens to, Okay! We don't want it.
What the hell is separated?
Yeah. Good.
This card has them in order.
So it does.
What's the order? Is it alphabetical order?
It's just whatever they're labeled as, you know. Whatever their names are.
So they're mislabeled in this book? Or just the order?
Oh, the order.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Oh, Pukumuku.
What is it doing?
Puking. Puking, you know. Just normal Pukumuku things.
Slug was fairly pretty. Yeah, slugs up.
These guys are funny.
Dang.
That doesn't count, huh?
No. But you could, that counts off to go off the side.
Okay.
Yeah. I didn't bring any sleeves. Not really.
Later. That's okay, that's what we're here for, right?
What, to go get the sleeves?
Oh no, to sleeve all your cards. Alright guys, it's a monkey. I don't like monkeys.
Whoa, that's weird.
Did I not shuffle that right?
I don't know. Just keep on going. We can watch the video. Oh, we got a hit!
I shuffled it wrong. I shuffled it wrong, guys.
Hey, we have to do these things that are odd to get something good, right?
Maybe I didn't shuffle it because I didn't start with the energy card. I just started with the monkey.
Oh.
Okay, well, okay, you know what? It's fine. There's a 1, and here's the energy and the rest of the cards, you know?
It's a pretty one, too.
Yeah.
You got a pretty one. Nice.
Never mind, maybe the monkey's a good thing. Monkeys are good sense. I've changed my mind. The monkeys are the goods.
It's a pretty one. It's a real pretty one.
Yeah. I like the colors. Sarina evolves from my favorite bounce sweet. Bounce sweets. Little devils.
Did you just throw it in the trash?
Yeah.
Not intentionally. Sorry about that.
But you did.
Okay, we actually start off with the energy this time, guys.
Boring.
Bugman.
I like Bugcatcher. He's the
Bugcatchy
same.
boy.
Yeah, in game he's good. I need to go and pull some cards. I like
He's
that
not
one.
round. He's not round. He looks like an apricorn. Apricorn. He looks like an acorn. It's another monkey.
Another monkey.
These monkeys are actually nice. I could deal with that.
It's watercolor.
Ladios.
So 4 packs in, we got 1 here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm not really interested in this set. So you're not gonna see too much. You could just watch the video if you want to see the same stuff.
Ooh, this is starting out exactly the same as the other one. Cute. Weird little boys.
Ooh.
Angry Morpeko.
I
Okay.
like that one.
My favorite Smirkle.
Was that the Smeargle you're talking about? Or was it a different one?
Yeah, it was that one.
Berserker. Ooh, Steelix. Yeah.
Is that guy at a casino or something?
It looks like it. From Final Fantasy VII.
Final Fantasy. Dear. Casino boy.
Was that 2 in 1 pack?
No, he was on the front and then I shuffled him.
Oh, getcha. Gross.
Monkey time.
So it's not letting go.
Hold on. Sticky monkey.
Sticky monkey.
Sticky monkey. Oops. Hold on.
Alright. We're not accountants.
I'm good at this. I'm good at this. I'm gonna graduate.
It's okay, you only have 3 more packs to go, so no pressure.
Gotta do this right. Alright, guys.
That's cute. Not my favorite, but I like that art. Ooh,
It's an entity.
Oh.
Interesting. 3 packs to go. 3 packs to go. Oops. Bell. Monkey.
This set's full of monkeys, huh?
Yeah, that's a lot of
Monkey
monkeys.
Still.
So sad. Alright, I have 1 so far.
Well, you know what? So I've been seeing a lot of people with terrible pull rates. Maybe this set isn't the best anyways.
Oh, so
But-
sad.
You know, it's always a new set. It's nice to see new cards, and you know, we'll see what we can get.
Is it going to be Evolving Skies?
Oh no. Let's hope not. Let's hope not.
It's gonna be worse than Evolving Skies. At least we got stuff.
You'll get stuff. You'll get stuff. I hope you will.
He's got like a little mustache. Keys. Oh, the mustache evolved.
Yeah,
Oh,
see?
nice.
Getting good things.
I don't know why that looks like a promo card.
It kind of does.
Order, she has a white one.
Hmm.
It just looks colory.
Yeah, why would that one? Like, that one has a silver border, that one has a black border. Is it just whatever they decide to do with the card art?
No, that's called a floor.
Versus?
That's a
Versus.
V.
minutes.
So this one probably has some value in it, like 20 bucks or something.
Oh, that's Serena?
Yeah.
Ew.
Spongy glove. That's your new
Sponge
internet
glove?
name. Yeah, sponge glove.
Sponge glove.
Use it to wash the dishes.
Sitting here with my favorite dishwasher. Sponge glove. Ew.
It's your favorite.
It's even hollow. That's gross.
Oh, isn't that just perfect?
Alright, I got this all too.
2 hits for Steph. Alright, Christy, let's do this. Let's do this. Can you beat your sister? Can you beat your sister? She got 2.
You only gotta beat 2.
All you need is 3. That would be sad if I got more hits and I have less packs. It wouldn't, because it's my stuff. More hits! More hits!
More hits.
I already see a hit.
Ooh, Darkrai. Darkrai's cool.
That's pretty good.
We get it. We get it.
I don't know, it keeps on showing up. Oh my gosh. Yes! Nice! We got a Gengar. I'll put her here in the middle for now. Be nice to it.
Bonk, bonk. Honking around his favorite card.
Sorry. Christy's already winning regardless of numbers.
Very nice. Very nice.
Take your time, girl. Make the magic happen. Make the magic happen. Cook.
I guess. Why so much logic?
Not anime, not J-pop no more. She's watching probably sumo. You wanna go watch them?
I'm good. I don't know. Okay.
So which cards are you looking to get out of this set?
Gengar VMAX, Ult. Everything is Ult art.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a Espeon, because that wasn't in the Evolving Skies. That one would be nice to get. There is also 2 or 3 different types of Mews that I'd like. Are they? Maybe, let's see if I can find them in.
That's a lot of strikes on this guy.
That is a lot of strikes on
He is
that
a
guy.
striker. Oh, that's
Oh.
cute.
That's cute.
That's what that is.
I like that Laios.
Yeah, so these 3 bottoms are right here. Sniper.
It just looks funny.
That's just what this VMAX looks like.
It is. That's true.
Battle Pass VIP. No, he's just saying hi. Why is Indeedee in every set?
To tell you that you got nothing.
Thanks. Such your consolation prize. You got me. Oh, nice. Nice. Nice, Christy. Wow.
Sparkly.
All right, let me see that book. You got too many books over there.
Well, hold on, fine. Hold on.
I think his is back in his box.
Mine's behind my box. Yeah.
Weird.
Let's see what else is here. Did you see this in Italian V?
I did. Evil.
He's really mad. He's shoulder sniper. The other one,
Oh.
the Alt Ari, was just like a panned out version of it.
It's another Italian some viewpoint on that one.
Oh yeah. It's called vantage points.
Sniping the sniper.
Ooh, 3 now. Oh, you beat your sister. That's for sure.
It's out now.
Yeah.
You got half left.
I know, she's only gone through half, like 5 tags.
It's out now. I'm looking at my hair. What is this thing? You see that?
Oh yeah. It's called good luck. Don't change anything. Fix it when you're done.
Oh, okay. It's like a TV antenna.
It's
the good luck antenna.
It's the antenna for hits. Don't pull a gradient. Like this one right here. The cartoon.
Alt art gradients.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, we got the pair. Those are rares? That was the last card, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Those are rares. Okay.
I still like the Latios.
Yeah, that one just straight up looks like an airplane. The other ones look like they're alive.
Yeah, she looks weirder.
No, they look like airplanes. Smiling airplanes.
What's they're supposed to look like?
Dragons.
Yep, dragons.
Have you seen the picture of those Latios drinking water from like a river?
No.
And then there was a comparison, and they put like an airplane there, and like kind of diving in.
That's funny. Oh, that Arcanite's pretty. Oh, yeah.
Looks like it got a bath.
Lucky boy now. Doesn't look like our dog when she takes a bath. Flat. Turns into a chihuahua. She does. She seriously does. She
Really?
loses all her fluff and she becomes like the skinniest thing. Oh wow, that's so plain. Ooh, gross.
Steph's favorite. Oh, we pulled that on Saturday. All right, 2 more packs. 2 more packs.
You just take 2.
He looks mad. Brandon Snarl looks mad. Come on, Christy, we can do it. Last pack magic. I hate saying that, and it worked. It worked. Last time I did it, it worked. Last pack magic. This has a fighting chance. Dark Cry. Ooh. Good job. Well, Christy got 3.
More than me. More than me.
Alright, I'm up next. Alright, down to our final 8 packs. I don't know which way is right side up anymore. Let's do it. I can't open.
Yeah, get 4.
That'd be nice if I have, you know, with less packs. I can't open this. The glue's too good. Alright, Tap, let's go and do this, man. I'm opening up my birthday gift from you. And hopefully we get something good. Oops, sorry. We got energy, Caparaja, the cook. Heal 70 damage from your active Pokemon. That works. Quillfish, Vulpix. Is that fireballs?
Cute.
I don't know. Oh, I like this. Looks like preschool. Nothing. Nothing. I really can't open these today.
They're hiding something good.
Yeah, there's like glue up in here or something. I don't know. Let's see. But I usually grab it from this middle seam, but I can't see it.
There's no middle seam?
Nah, it's too good. But the way I did it right now, I feel like I'm like doing brute force entry. I feel bad. I'm bending the cards, changing my luck. Energy. Stanley. That's cute. Oh, I like that one. If I get an Indeedee, we're done. Nope. Alright, pack number 3.
Break it open.
Yep, just brute force entry. Did I open it? Yep. Rip, 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 rip. Thank you. I like this one. Oh no! Oh no!
You got
Oh no! Mankey. Oh, that's no. You said Elector looked weird, right?
Looks like an acorn.
Acorn. If you guys haven't played that game, it's fun. Acorn.
Be the tree.
Be the tree. Why is it, there's a bunch of these psychedelic looking ones in here.
Yeah.
Multicolored, like that. Oh, what color should I name? Well, color it.
All of them.
All of them. I like this one has multiple colors too, but it's garbage.
It's kind of a cute
Garbage. I like this. Oh my god. Nope. 4 packs in, 0 hits. A big loser. Guy's funny. Unlock does 10 damage and draws 2 cards. Take that. Take 10 damage. And I get 2 cards. Nope. Nothing here. Nothing to see here, guys. Except just a bunch of same cards. And Indeedee. And which one you don't like? You don't like grubbin?
Grubbin, yeah.
Hater. My niece is a hater for some grubbin.
No grubs.
But if I ask her if she wants to eat, and she goes, we could grub. We could be grubbin. Here's your spongy gloves. What's in your name? No. This was mad. Everybody's mad. Except you. Oh, he's looking for his. Oh, I got something.
Number, sir? That's 3, right?
Not my favorite. No. Not my favorite, but okay, I'll take it. I have 1. Six packs in, and I have 1. And I probably, out of like, well, it doesn't really count because you guys have more, but I think that one's like not even has no value. Yeah. Well, what do I know? I haven't really looked up any of these values. What is this?
Orange.
I know, but still. Here's your playing card, Christy.
It's just a fish.
It has no words in it. You just don't know you. It has no directions in what to do.
It's just a fish. One more. Last pack magic.
Last pack magic. Oh, and it's a Gengar too. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. Oh my gosh. Stubborn little pack here. Cross switcher. Croconaw. For some reason, Sonny likes saying Croconaw. It just like rolled off his tongue so easy. Croconaw. Nope.
So, alright, we got one.
One.
With 3 birds on.
So here's a review of the hits. Stephanie got some good ones. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go and check out how much this is, but this is it's called an ultra rare, and based on that book. It's awesome. I don't know if I really want to show mine because you guys just saw it. You know, like I don't know. I got nothing to say about that one. But Christy's the winner here. She got 3. This one is cute. This one's even cuter. You like to do that with the eyes, huh?
Look all possessed.
But this guy right here, I think this guy's the big winner. We'll have to go and find out. Was this your first pack?
Oh, I don't know.
I just remember I saw the hit and I was like, oh, I see the hit. I saw the hit. Okay guys, so out of 28 packs, we got a total of 6 hits. I don't know, the pull rates are pretty bad for Fusion Strike. Gotta test it out, right? What do you think about it?
That's so sad. I do like the Gengar remix though, I think it looks cool.
What about you? What do you think about this set so far?
Latias cute. Deoxys with the 3 tags is funny.
She's speechless. She's speechless. Alright, well, you know, thanks for watching. We're gonna go and get some ice cream and we'll catch up to you next time.
Ice cream time!
Ice cream time!
Oh yeah.
Bon-trevu! So we just came to get our ice cream after opening up all the Pokemon cards that we did today. We want to thank all you guys for watching. We're gonna go and enjoy some sweets.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.